Hey everyone, I'm Chris Stevens, your local real estate expert. And today I want to walk you through what really happens once a home goes under contract, all the way to the exciting closing day. Because truth is, there's a lot more happening than just waiting around. Once a home goes under contract, it means both the buyer and the seller have agreed on terms in writing, usually through a signed purchase agreement. But this doesn't mean it's a done deal. It's just the beginning of the process with lots of moving parts. First, the buyer typically deposits what's called earnest money into an escrow account, kind of like a good old faith deposit. This shows that they're serious and it holds the deal together while everything else is happening. Next comes the inspection period. A licensed inspector checks out the home's structure, systems, and any safety issues. The buyer may request repair credits and negotiations can reopen temporarily here. Then comes the appraisal. If the buyer's getting a loan, the lender needs to make sure that the home is worth what the buyer offered. If the appraisal comes in low, more negotiations might be needed. Meanwhile, the lender is processing financials and paperwork behind the scenes. Next, a title company researches ownership history to ensure the title is clear. The buyer secures homeowner's insurance, and just before closing, they'll usually do a final walkthrough to ensure the property is in agreed upon condition. Then it's time for a closing day. Documents are signed, funds are transferred, and the deed is recorded. That's when the keys exchange hands and everyone celebrates this new chapter. There you have it, the journey from under contract to closed. Every deal is unique, but with the right agent and the great team behind you, the process can be smooth and even enjoyable. If you have questions or you're thinking about buying or selling, I'd love to help.